YouTube, what's going on today? Back at y'all with another video once again. Hey, do me a favor, please. Today's my birthday. My wife and I had a nice day today. Do me a favor, if you guys like this video, give me that thumbs up. Really appreciate it, okay? This video is going to be quick to the point, and I think it'll be helpful for all you guys out there, whether you got a diesel truck, a gas truck, a car, motorcycle, especially motorcycles, any vehicle, especially with the diesel trucks, man. We got big trucks, you know, the mega cab, man, she's a big girl. You know, washing this once a week, that can get a little tiring over time. So this video, I think, is going to be really good. Thank you guys for checking out my video from yesterday and the day prior. If you haven't, please, after you watch this video, go check out those videos too, because these, you know, I'm trying to come back with you guys with content, because I've been gone for a good chunk of time now. Okay, I noticed my view count went down a little bit. Trying to get that back up, so you know, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, make sure you're hitting that bell notification button so that way you're getting notified. But yes, further on, we're going to go ahead, we're going to continue this video. Okay, so something that a lot of people don't, well, I'm not going to say a lot of people might not realize. Okay, people like clean trucks. I don't care who you are. A clean truck is a nice thing to have. Okay, problem is that we don't have time to get the hose, get the bucket, get the, you know, wash your truck, especially if you're going to use a foam cannon and such and stuff like that. So something like a waterless wash, which is pretty, I'm not going to say it's new, but I'd say it's been around for probably about the last couple years, where it is really getting bigger now because of the whole eco-friendly, all that stuff, man, everything involved with that. Waterless wash is really taking off. Okay, so I have multiple waterless wash products. The product I'm going to use today is a very good product, but the reason why I'm using this one is because you can get this from Walmart. Okay, almost all you guys have Walmart's by you guys. If not, you can get it on Amazon. It's relatively affordable. It's like $8, anywhere from $8 to $12, depending on where you get it from. And today, which one I have is Mcguire's Waterless Wash and Wax. Okay, this one is really good. I like this one. It smells good. I'll get you guys a close up on the bottle. So this one, it's super simple to use. You spray it on. You can let it dwell for a little bit, and then you go from there. Okay, so what I'm going to show you guys is me and my family just got back. My truck looks clean. Okay, it does look clean from far away. It's not until you walk up to it to when you start seeing a little dirt here and there and stuff. So you got bug splatter here, you got the bugs and stuff here, and then you got more marks here. You got more marks in the front. Okay, so we got a bunch of this stuff. So this truck doesn't need to get washed. It just needs to get kind of freshened up. But this works really good too. Even if your truck's, it's been a week and your truck's dirty, you want to wash it up and stuff. Okay, what I wouldn't recommend this for is if, let's say, you went mudding and you got rocks and mud all over your truck. I would highly recommend at least hosing it off first before using this, just because this is not made to break down like rocks and, you know, grit, stuff like that. This is made for the average vehicle dirty. It'll take care of it. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys on the camera. I'm gonna set you guys up and show you how to do this. Okay, it's real quick, real simple to the point. All right, so I want to show you all this real quick. So right now I'm gonna flip this up, because when I wash my truck, I always flip the tow mirrors up so I can get on this side too, so you can see all this bug stuff. Right, you see all that? We got bug stuff there. We got some on the windows. So what I like to do is I like to use, for the glass, I'll use a separate microfiber, and I'll use one separate from the truck. So all you're gonna do is super simple. All right, all you're gonna do is hit it up. All right, now you gotta spray it. You don't have to mist it down. You don't have to go crazy with it. All right, you spray her down. Come with your microfiber. Y'all watching this? And you just wipe. Okay. Now sometimes it might not get it all in the first pass, especially with bugs and guts, but it's gonna get most of it. Okay, look at that. Check that out. Okay, so already, and this one has a wax in it, so it's gonna leave it looking, it's gonna leave it feeling pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna hit this again. And I'm just gonna come, I'm gonna wipe. Okay, and for a white vehicle, this is actually really good because white vehicles show everything. Okay, now when you do it, you kind of want to roll it at the same time, so that way you're not dragging the same portion of it on. But I mean, let's be real, if you had to do it like that around the entire truck, it would be bad. Okay, so you can see right there. All right, it's already cleaning. This put a nice wax film on it too, so it has hydrophobic properties in it. All right, so now I'm gonna do down here. Oh, that's my phone going off fantasy. So I'm gonna do down here so y'all can see all this. Okay, it's hard to see it because it's not that dirty, but you know, you can see some of this stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit this whole section up. All right, we got more stuff here too. Look at all that. All right, and what you want to do is you want to work from the top down, because you don't want to go down, get the dirty stuff, and then come back up. So come over here. I'm gonna wipe. Get all that stuff. Okay, so right there, you should be able to tell the difference. You see that right there? This portion is clean and that portion is dirty. Okay, this stuff works good. It works really good and it's affordable. Okay, and the biggest thing is you're gonna save time. Let me hit this up a little better. You're gonna save time because you're not gonna have to break out the hose, the bucket, all that stuff. You know what I'm saying? You just come in here with a microfiber, go online, go to the Walmart, get you some cheap microfibers. You know what I'm saying? And you just come and you hit it up, man. And look at that, you know, look at the sheen it left on there. It's clean, it's clean. So this is nice, man. This is a nice thing. I like doing this type of stuff to my truck because I'm kind of weird where I like my truck to be clean at the beginning of the work week. So I don't want to go to work with a dirty truck. I feel like it's kind of like it's like bad luck or something. But at the same time, I also like my truck looking good too. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna hit the rest of this panel like this. And in person, you definitely can tell the difference. Okay, it definitely gets a good. Heck yeah. And then what you can really do is flip the microfiber and then give it a nice sheen, give it a nice buff with the clean side, because this side's clean, okay? And give it a nice buff down. All right, so this is the clean side, and this is the dirty side. Look at all that gunk it pulled off, okay? Now, you don't want to keep using the same microfiber over time because it's going to get wet, and as it gets wet, it's going to, here, we'll go to this side. As it gets wet, it's going to kind of like start streaking. So if you don't want that happening, make sure you swap out the microfiber after a certain amount of panels. So same thing, same deal with this side, okay? We got a lot of bugs and stuff on it. So I'm just going to go ahead. I'm going to hit her up real quick. And this stuff you can get at Walmart, pretty much anywhere where they sell car wash products at. Waterless wash is really taking over, you guys. Let you guys see that in the light. Well, it's really starting to take over just because of how economical it is and how easy it's to do. And it really leaves your vehicle looking good. I know when it first came out, I was kind of sketchy about it because I was like, man, ain't no way you can spray something on your vehicle and it's going to get it looking clean like washing it. And to be truthfully honest, I still prefer a good car wash. It's just, you know, we don't, in our regular days where we working and stuff, we don't have time for that, you know. As much as I love keeping my truck clean, sometimes I don't have time to wash it and stuff like that. So something like this is perfect, you know what I'm saying? I mean, look at all that, it's dirt and stuff, man. And I'm doing this I'm recording with one hand and wiping it down with the other hand, so I'm sorry if it looks all shaky and weird, you know what I'm saying? Let's come on this side. Let's hit this side down. Ooh, man, look at that right there. I don't know if you can pick that up. If you can see the difference, man. My goodness. Wow. Okay. So right here, it's clean. And then when it gets right here, I don't know if the camera can even pick that up. When it gets right there, you can see the transition, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna spray the rest of this down, and I'm gonna hit this up. And when you're spraying it, you just got to put a light mist on it. You don't even have to saturate, like, you don't have to wet it down crazy, you know what I'm saying? Just a light mist. Because what's happening is, whatever the solvent is, whatever is inside of it, is trapping all of the surface contaminants. It's trapping it, and it's pulling it away from the surface, so that way you can be able to come by with a microfiber and clean it up. And I think this is a phenomenal way to be able to quickly, easily, and safely clean your vehicle, okay? And like I said, I have a white truck. It's 10 years old, paint job stock, over 10 years old. So I'm not as anal as some of you, you know, detail buff heads when it comes to cleaning my truck. I do clay bar, you know, I'll do a polish on top of a wax and stuff, but I'm not super anal about it, you know, because it's like, it's a white truck, it's not an original paint, you know, so I don't care if it, you know, gets a little dirty or gets a little bit of scratch on it or something. But if you do it like the way I just showed you, you won't get any scratches. And like I said, if you got a colored vehicle, go ahead and if you got a colored vehicle, go ahead and flip that rag, that microfiber, flip it and buff it with that clean side. I'm not doing it right now because I'm filming. I want you guys to be able to see what I'm doing. Okay, so look at that. So we're gonna clean all this down, wipe. All right, now I want y'all to see all this. Y'all see all those specks? That's all bugs, okay? And I don't want bugs sticking to my paint. So I'm definitely gonna get this off before it can bake on there, cause man, I don't know what bugs having it in them that makes it hard for them to come off when you're cleaning it, man. But they got something inside of them. I don't know what juice they got flowing through their body. But look at that. And we just coming through and we wiping, okay? We wiping. Now, like I said, if you don't get it all with the first pass, no biggie. Just spray it back on. Do a second application. And they tell you that too. It says for severe application, second coat might need to be applied. And this has a good smell. It has like a cherry. It's kind of, I don't know. It smells like that white Gatorade, like the clear white Gatorade. I don't know what scent flavor it is, but it smells like that white cherry. Look how it just cleaned that, man. Look how it just cleaned that. That is badass. Hell yeah, I'm gonna hit my light bar up. Hit that bad boy up. By the way, the light bar is amazing. If you guys didn't know, I do have a video showing the installation of the Oxbeam 42-inch light bar. Oxbeam was nice enough to send out to me. It's a good light bar, so I highly recommend and suggest y'all check that out. Let's go ahead. Let's hit this headlight up. Headlight looking a little. We got some stuff right there on the headlight, so she's looking a little sad. Let's go ahead and get that up. Okay. Oh yeah. There we go. Okay. I'll just kind of get that a little rub. This headlight, so I don't care about them. Well, I do, but you know what I'm saying. So, man, now this was just one side. Me doing two door panels and two tow mirrors. Okay, so like I said, remember you're gonna have to keep swapping out microfibers or fold it on the inside. That way you don't want to be dragging this throughout the entire vehicle. What I recommend, if it's within your means, is I recommend one microfiber per every 2 panels. So I would use this microfiber for this panel and the front door. Sorry about that. And I would, you know what I'm saying, every so and often. Okay. So that's really it, guys. I can show you guys real quick some other ones I use. So we got the Mcguire's Ultimate Waterless Wash here. And if you really want to get fancy with it, you can even drop a Carnauba spray wax on it. But this one has a wax in it, and it's really good. Where's the other one at? Man, I got this Wax Gods Waterless Washing Wax. This one's really good too, from this company. I know I mentioned them a couple videos ago, but really check them out though. Wax Gods, they got some good stuff, man. Some good stuff. So I mean, if you come by and look, let's look in the sunlight. It might be hard to see it, but she came out clean. Okay. I mean, you can get it. It feels good too. It feels like it just got waxed, so it's real smooth. You know what I'm saying? So my fucking wife pulling up in here like she about to run somebody over and shit. So definitely. All right, you guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Really quick, really simple. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know if you guys are using waterless wash and waxes already. If you guys, I'm not going to put a link for that down below, because in all honesty, you can go to Walmart, AutoZone, O'Reilly's, excuse me, you can go to anywhere and get that stuff. So it's definitely not needed. Or, you know, I'm not going to put a link down in it. If you guys need a link, drop in the comments. I'll put the link in, okay? Just wanted to bring y'all a little quick, cool video. Today was my birthday. I got me some new boots, or my wife got me some new boots today. Some Ariats, because my last ones, somebody chewed them up. Rilo chewed my fucking boots up. So I was blessed. She was able to give me some new boots, so I'm definitely happy. We're gonna go out to eat tonight for my birthday, and then I go back to work tomorrow on the grind. Okay, so hey, if you like this video, do me a favor, give me that thumbs up. I did not forget about the merchandise. I am going to be trying to do some research this week on merchandise for the channel. Thank you guys once again. I'm so grateful for y'all. Love you guys. Have a good week this week. Stay blessed. Be safe. Peace out.